Hi, I am Ikhlas.
Hi, I am Ayman.
Hello, I am Zulkarnain.
We have made a project which is termed as Atmanirbhar Khet. Our project is a student-built sensor-driven project which is designed to automate irrigation and enhance field security for farmers. This project also includes it- this pro- we have used locally available components. We have used locally available components and open source technology. At its core, the project includes a soil moisture sensor which is used to check the dryness or wetness level of the soil. If the soil is dry, the soil moisture sensor will send the signal to the Arduino and Arduino will on the pump. If the soil is wet, then the Arduino will send the signal to the Arduino will off the pump. Our project is basically helpful for farmers. Now I will tell you more about our project. We have used ultrasonic sensors which will detect any intrusion like an animal, trespasser. If it is entering our field, it will detect it and sound a buzzer. It will eventually help the farmers to get rid of trespassers, animals which can destroy our crop. Our project goes deep into the idea of Atmanirbhar because Atmanirbhar means self-reliance through locally available components and open source technology. Let's conclude our project. Our project is basically aimed at helping farmers which cannot be available in farms 24 into 7. Now I will tell you what we have not added an LDR based security system because of lack of time. If we are also going to add in it LDR based laser security system which will also enhance our broader security of our field. And I can add on to that we are also using drone system which will be used for spraying fertilizers in our field. That's it. Thank you.
We have used components LCD shield, relay module, Arduino, power supply, water pump, Bluetooth and DHT11 sensor and soil moisture sensor, micro ultrasonic sensors and buzzer.
Now let's show how our project works. Now we will see that this part is dry, so we will take our soil moisture sensor to the dry part. Let us do it. Now the pump is on and the water is flowing. Now we will take it to the wet level of the soil. Now the pump is off. Now we can also monitor it through our phone. Basically, we have used a soil moisture sensor which will detect the dryness level of the soil. If the soil is dry, it will send the signal to the Arduino. The Arduino will turn on the pump. If the soil is wet, then it will send the signal to the Arduino. Then the Arduino will off the pump. We have to make our project more informative and interactive. We have used DHT11 sensor which will provide us the real-time temperature and humidity which will be displayed in this LCD which will ultimately help the farmers to take the decisions according to the. By using Bluetooth, we can manually operate our pump. This will help farmers to adapt according to the changing weather conditions. This is all about this automatic irrigation system. Now let us see how our intrusion detection system works. When any animal, any trespasser, anything comes in between our ultrasonic sensors, then it will alarm a buzzer. See, it is buzzing. Now he will remove the hand and it's not buzzing. This is how our project works. In this project, we have used locally available components and open source technology. Our project includes we have used a very interesting thing in our project. We have used Bluetooth, when we can override the Bluetooth using the pump. When we will use this Bluetooth module in our project, then we can manually now we can also manually control the pump like that. I will show you how it works. pump turn on. See, this is working. Now I will say it to it that pump turn off. Pump turn off. Pump turn off. See, it is working. This helps farmers during night time because during night time farmers often remain at home. You can also see the details in the screen like their humidity, temperature, moisture level. Now, this is all about Atmanirbhar Khet. Thank you.